Imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment. Hello everyone, my name is Vitor. This is Mundo Astronômico. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. Like this video and click the ring to receive all notifications. Today we are going to see a filter called Topaz Labs. Topaz Labs is a very powerful feature. It's very powerful. From the nebula to the galaxy to the solar is powerful. They have a lot of filters, clarity and restyle are my favorites. Let's do levels. Let's see the green, the blue. The image is very strange. Let's see the green and the blue. It's very red here. In this plugin we correct that. Merge down. Now we are going to use create. Let's try some techniques that we learned. This plugin is more for nebula. Nebula is amazing, the result. Galaxy, let's try. And I used it already in Galaxy, but I don't remember if the result was good. Let's do. I did not say to you. I used curves, and I adjust the curves here. Now I'm going to use merge down. Now we are going to use another one. Create a copy, put in this part superior curves and put it down like this. Here, merge down, and now we are going to use filter, layer mask, reveal all, black here. Control the size here. Okay, now we're going to use filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Oh, I did not like the result. Probably this will be the better that we can do. Let's do OK. Merge down. Let me see. The result is good. Let's try some curves. Merge down. The result is not so good. So let's Topaz clarity. And go to here. HSL filter. Saturation. And go to the red to 0. Here, I liked this one, but we not aligned the image properly. The image is not so very aligned, but I reduce the blue. Look to the blue. Redux, and the image is looking more good. Let's throw back the magenta and the purple and do OK. Okay, the image is good. Filter, deep sky colors, hasta la vista green. The result is I like the result. Now we are going to use filter Topaz Labs clarity. Clarity we have already done. No. Filter Topaz Labs restyle. I will show with a nebula image. Oh, amazing. But we're not going to use this. I will go to use the Mundo Astronômico files. This is good. It's bad illuminated. Let's try this. Okay. Okay, now going to use filter Topaz clarity. We are going to use reset hasta HSL filter. Put here the minimal, overall. This result is amazing. Let's do a Rui. Orange, red, blue. Amazing. Okay, let's see the after and before. This is the image, and this is the processed image. The result is so much better to see, but I forgot probably to use my flats. The flats. This image is from Image the Universe. If you want to know how to subscribe to Image the Universe, go into the description of the video. This is show here there the link. It's amazing service, amazing data, amazing equipments, amazing. This is guys, thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed to Mundo Astronômico channel, subscribe to don't lose any videos, and go to the ring to not lose the notifications, and like this video to support the divulgation of the video. Thank you guys, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor.